So if I were to go around and make some changes over here on my clips, then I can go around and undo this right here by pressing Ctrl Z. That is because the history is saved out. So if you want to go around and see the steps that you have covered up, then what you can do is you can go around and access out the history and info as you like. So if I were to go to Windows right here, then you can see that I can go around onto history over here, and you can see the actions that you have done over here. And each time you perform a new action, you can see that it is saved in history, and then you can go and do 10 undos. So you can go around and click on particular step over here to go to that particular step as well. Like when you go to new and open, then it goes on to the default open state. So you can go and select a particular step right here, just like this, and continue working, and the history will be continued to store right after that. If I were to go around and click on delete redoable action right here, then what happens is that I can delete it, as you can see right here. I can delete out all a redoable action, as you can see, and it is saved out. So that is what you have, as you can see right here, the history. Then apart from that, you can also go to info right here. So once you go around onto info and click on a certain clip, then you get the detail about it, as you can see right here. Like you can see the type of the video, you can see the duration of the video, and then you can see the resolution of the video as well. And there's the start and end time over here, just like this as well. You can also move around the cursor, as you can see right here, just like this, and then it goes around onto the particular time. You can see the time for where your cursor is placed. And that is how you can work around and then access out the history and info option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.